Hi, this is Leah Heskett, and another technology I found was Wakelet. I love Padlet as like a virtual bulletin board, but you can only have 3 boards on Padlet, so I checked out some alternatives, and Wakelet was one of those, so that is why I chose to use Wakelet. I'm always like to find a place to keep all my tech ideas that run through my head and things that I hear in one spot, all the different apps and programs. So with Wakelet, I made different collections for each kind of category. For like student research help, I would share with my students. Now I'm done. Now what? Adobe Spark, we are getting Adobe products this summer, so I'm ready to gear up and find new ways and how to use it. So there's all these different ways for all these different categories for and collections for Wakelet. So how I would use this is with teachers. What I'd like to do is add all the teachers in the district as contributors, so then when they look and find apps, or we're going one-to-one, so they might need help in finding programs and apps to use with their students to better integrate technology into their classroom. So like if you look at quiz games, now I've added different quiz games. I see I flippity on there twice, but quiz is Kahoot. So this is where like a landing page, and they can go and see all the different games that people have found. And so if I have contributors, then they can go in and add things, plus they can leave comments on what they liked, what they didn't like, how they used it in their classroom. I just think this would be great for professional development because we have very little time to talk in our district. It seems like we see each other very rarely, I mean, as a whole school, and we're a small district, so it would be nice to have one place where all the teachers could kind of add their input about technology. So I believe this would cover the ITSE standards by learner educators. So that would be ITSE Educator 1. It would be 1A, set professional learning goals to explore and apply pedagogical approaches made possible by technology and reflect on their effectiveness. So we could reflect with each other on which ones worked, which ones didn't work. And then also E1B, pursue professional interest in creating and actively participating in local and global learning networks. Well, you can find Wakelets that other people made that would be the global learning network, and then the local one would be by having all the teachers on this as contributors on this collection. So now how do you add something to a Wakelet? So say I wanted to add Gimkick to a Wakelet. So you can add Wakelet to your, as an extension in Google. So if I want to add this website, which is Gimkit, to my Wakelet, all I have to do is click on the W, and then it'll come up, because I notice I don't have this in here for games, so I need to add this in as quiz games. And I can add a little blurb about what that's about, but now it went into, now it should be, when I go here, it should be in my games category. Let's see if it shows up. And it is there. Oh, it was there twice now, so I guess I did have it. Sorry about that. But so it's very easy to add things. And I have the app on my phone, so when I'm listening to something, I just look up the website and then I just send it right to Wakelet, and it lets you put it into the category that you need. So I hope this is helpful.